This story takes place in the kingdom, and the king had a beautiful daughter. She was at the age of marriage. What happened was, he had no son, and in relatives also there was no young man who could actually sit on the throne. King ஆகிறதுக்கு யார் மேல பிரின்ஸே இல்லை. Only one beautiful little princess, very wise, very intelligent prince. So என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா, king decided that I will have a test. Now test conduct பண்றேன், and whoever passes will become the prince, will get my daughter in the hand also for marriage. She will marry my daughter and also become the prince and also become the king eventually. So என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா, he sent out the word in neighboring kingdoms and everywhere, and he said whoever it is in the age இருக்கணும். This age, this young man, இவ்வளோ knowledge இருக்கணும், இந்த கொஞ்சம் skills இருந்தா வாங்க. Thousands of people got accumulated. Thousands of people applications வந்தது that I want to participate. Who wants to give up that chance? Correct? No, you can become a king. So the race was conducted. This was a swimming race. In a race? So this side, the king, the pandal, Shamiana is all set, the princess is waiting with the garland, see, the throne is kept there, ministers are there, the king is here. On the other side of the river, there are these thousands of men. How many men? And the race is that you swim பண்ணி இந்த பக்கம் வரணும். இந்த swim பண்ணி எங்க வரணும். The king makes the announcement. So it's very simple. Thank you so much for coming. Many of you have come. Wonderful. You have had the eligibility test ஆயிடுச்சு. But now it's very simple. It's a swimming race. It's a swimming race. Small information என்ன இருக்குன்னா, தண்ணிக்குள்ள நிறைய crocodiles இருக்கு. They are hungry. There are snakes which are venomous. There are piranhas, fish, which eats flesh. Sharks, அதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கு, வச்சிட்டோம். Okay, which are hungry. Okay, ரொம்ப simple. Whoever will swim and come will get my daughter's hand, will be the king and also become the prince and all the other things. அதில் 1000ல several people disappeared. ஐயோ வேணாம். Correct? என்னது? Life is more important. Many people went back. Only few hundreds were left. Then suddenly what happened, Elfi sir? There was a sound. Somebody jumped. Somebody jumped. Everybody, who is this? One person fighting. It is fighting, it is beating, everything. Snakes are attacking, crocodiles are fighting. It came, it climbed out. Some bleeding, some here, there and all, some bruises and all. And the princess said, wow, brave man. And everybody celebrated, they put dolak, nice, everybody. All the sounds they found, everybody is congratulating this man. That wow, wonderful, very brave. Others are also opposite. Amanda, Panda, enna indalum dil irundhudu. He had the braveness, bold irundhudu, eppadiyavathu panda. He crossed there and all the other thing. That fellow had some small wounds, some scratches ella irundhudu. Eppadiyavathu apchi vanta. He said, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Now I've become the king, I've become the prince. Isn't it? Thank you so much for this one. I have only one question. Anand, யாரா என்ன தள்ளி விட்டா? Please, thank you so much. நீ தள்ளலன்னா நான் குதிக்க போறதில்லை. If you would have not pushed me, I would not have jumped. Today I have everything in my life. Correct? Everything in my life. I have become a prince, I have become a king, I have got power, respect, everything because of that push. Thank you so much. I am so grateful to you. கண்டிப்பா யார் என்ன தள்ளி விட்டா அவங்க வாங்க முன்னாடி. Please, can I push you all? Yes, you want respect? How many of you want respect? Say aye. How many of you want recognition? Say aye. How many of you want riches? Say aye. Everything is available there. I can tell you, if you are a good speaker, respect. If you are a good speaker, recognition. If you are a good speaker, riches will come. They will identify you as a leader. நீங்க automatically lead பண்ண முடியும். Can I push you? Do I have your permission? Push பண்ணலாமா? Yes? Okay, அவனுக்கு தெரியாது, but உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Who is going to push you? Me. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhup, Dr. Poorani. Anju Ji. And finally, under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.